Hey guys, welcome back to the series of Python programming. In this lecture, we are going to learn about some properties and some string methods. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to discuss is the immutability of strings. So I'll show you an example. Let's create a variable called name and is equal to Ram. Let's imagine you want to change this name to Sam. That is, we need to change R to S. Let's do something like this. I'll say name of 0. This gives me R and I'll assign this to S. Unfortunately, you cannot do this. If you try to run this code, you will get an error that str object does not support item assignment because strings are immutable. And if you really want to update it, you can do that using the slicing and concatenation. So that will be name is equal to R plus name of 1 is 2. That means we are getting the substring which is AM and concatenating it with the letter R. So this type of declaration is called reassignment. That is, you are storing the new value to the same variable. And the plus symbol represents the concatenation. Since the both values are strings, this allows you to quickly put the strings together. If I print the name, I'll get Ram. So here, plus is used for concatenation. Similarly, we have star for multiplication. So what will multiplication do with the strings? That is, you can print the string to the count given. So let's suppose I want to print hello 10 times. So I'll say hello star 10. This gives me hello for 10 times. One thing you should keep in mind is when you try to concatenate a number with a string, you are going to get errors. That is, if I say string 2 plus string 3, it is not going to add the values, but it is going to perform concatenation. So here now we get back the string 23. So you need to be careful with the data types in Python. So let's see some built-in methods for strings. For that, I'll create a new variable a is equal to hello world. So the first one, I'll say a.upper. This method changes every character in the string to the uppercase. But this does not affect the original string because we did not reassign the variable. So if you want to update the string, I'll say a is equal to a.upper. And I'll say a to print this. So it got changed to the uppercase letters. And now to change the character to the lowercase, we need to say a is equal to a.lower. This gives me hello world in the lowercase letters. And now, if I want to split the string into separate words, there is a function called split. So I'll say a.split. This creates a list with the words in the string. So we still did not learn about this list. We will discuss it soon. So this split function splits the string based on the white spaces by default, or you can change it by the letter or any character by passing it as an argument to that function. So first suppose I want to split the string with the letter O. That is a.split of. So I'll pass the character O. So you can see that it got split. And there is no letter O because we are splitting the string based on the O, right? And as you can see, there is a white space included. So there are some string functions you need to remember and useful. The first thing is capitalize. This function is used to change the first character of the given string to the uppercase. And the second one is alnum. This function returns true if the string has at least one character and all characters are alphanumeric, and returns false if there is a space in between or any special characters like hash, ampersand, underscore, etc. The third one is alpha. This function returns true if the string has at least one character and all the characters should be alphabet, and returns false if there is any character other than alphabet. The fourth one is digit. This function returns true if the string contains only digits, and it returns false if the string contains other than digits. And now the fifth one is space. This function returns true if the string contains only white space characters, and returns false if the string contains other than white spaces. Sixth one is title. This function returns true if the string is properly title cased. That means the starting letter of each word in the string should be uppercase. If this condition is true, then the function will return true, else it will return false. The seventh one, len. This function returns the length of the string, including the white spaces. Eighth one, strip. This function returns the string, removing all the white spaces before and after the string. That means if we have a string starting with a space and ending with a space, and if you want to remove this, you can use the strip function. You can pass a character as argument so that you can remove the character before and after if there is any. Let's suppose I have a string like this. Let's say x is equal to, I'll have 6 stars, and I'll say code with Krish and 6 stars again. So if I wanted to remove the stars before and after the string, I'll say x.strip of, and I'll pass the character as argument. So I'll say star. So this gave me the output code with Krish. So that's it for now. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.